Yes, Kamran, good evening once again. So today we are going to discuss on parameters. Okay, how to play with
Okay.
parameters, what are the important parameters, how we could change our parameters in SAP as and when we require. As we discussed on parameters, there are many kinds of parameters. Like there are OS parameters, there are DB parameters, and there are app parameters. But today we are going to study particularly about app parameters. We are least concerned about OS parameters and DB parameters because parameters are taken care by OS team, DB parameters are taken care by DB team, database team, like Oracle,
Sure.
Sybase, DB2, MaxDB, this HANA. But coming to application part means SAP, that basis needs to be taken care of. So we're going to see how we can change the parameter values to increase the performance or decrease this issues. So there are there are some predefined parameters by SAP. So we should know when and how we can utilize those parameters to run our server properly. Okay. And whenever you
Okay.
change any parameter, whenever you change any parameters, you require a restart of application server because we are least concerned about DB. If you start DB or not, no issues, but you have to restart your application server to take effect. And there are some parameters. There are some parameters for which restart is not at all required. Effect will take immediately once you change the value. Matlab, there are two kinds of parameter. One parameter known as static parameter and one parameter known as dynamic parameter. Static parameter is a parameter when you change the value, it requires restart. Until you restart, the effect will not come. Okay. Second, the dynamic parameter. Dynamic parameters are parameters. Whenever you change the value, effect will come immediately. But main thing, when you restart server, the value goes off. It's very risky. Whenever you restart server, the value goes off means it's very risky type of thing because you change four values. Okay. After 6 months, you restart server. Again, the issue comes before 6 months because you change the parameter and forget the parameter values, what was there and what you meant. So it is very important. Whatever things you made changes in dynamic, make note of that. Make note of that properly. Whenever you chance to get restart of system, you can do that things as static also. But static means is permanent for next 50 years, next 100 years, till your server lives. I'm not going to tell any
Mm.
age for server. It will able to you can able to access this parameters performance. Okay, till your system lives like 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 50 years is depending upon the software, depending on system. There is no end date for static parameters, but the dynamic parameters when you restart server, value changes. There is no fixed age.
So basically, static parameters are permanent, dynamic are not.
Yes, sir. Exactly. Exactly. See, if you change restart until okay, we have got more than 1,400 parameters system-wide, which are predefined by SAP, which are predefined by SAP. Like what? See, these all are for different industries. You are in oil industry, you are in chemical industry, you are in textile industry, you are in hotel industry. There are some specific parameters required for those industries, but there are some parameters which are universal and which is required by all. Whenever you install a system, any system, new system, there are some fixed parameters which you need to be changed before handing your system to the client, to the end user. You need to make some changes in parameter. Those are system-wide parameters, global recognized like all systems. Whenever you do any upgrade, installation, patch upgrade, kernel upgrade, those things need to be must to be done. Okay,
Mm.
we'll see all those things. Now dynamic parameter. These are parameters whenever you change the effect, it will take effect immediately after and system restart not required. And when you restart, the value goes off. See, this is dangerous. Okay, very dangerous. When you're about to restart system, just remember make dynamic to static parameters which work for lifetime. See, This is what discussed right now. Make dynamic as static, okay? Then
Mm-hmm.
it will work for lifetime, okay? Now, where to change these parameters and when to change parameters? We're going to change parameters in profiles.
Okay.
We'll change parameters in profiles. We have two kinds of profiles. One is instance profile, one is default profile. Instance profile and the default profile. There are two kinds of profile in SAP. One is instance, second is default. For example, if we have one CI and four app servers, like production we discussed, always we have bigger landscape. In in
Mm.
production, always we have bigger landscape like uh, depending upon users, you have 200 users or 2000 users. The SAP suggested if 2000 users will not able to log into with this, you have to take
Licenses.
3 to 4 application servers to balance the load. Because when user logged in, the users are distributed among all servers like app 1, app 2. If 500 users logged in 9 o'clock in the morning, because there is a punching time, most of the users logged in 3 4 minutes, everybody logs in and check whether my SAP is working or not. Okay. So at that time, system usage is very peak. What happened? Whoever
Mm.
logs in is go to dispatcher. And what dispatcher does is sometimes sent to app 1, app 2, app 3, CI. Like whichever things is found free is sent immediately request to that application server. So out of 500, one in one system it may find 200 users, second system it may find 70 users, third time 80 users, fourth and 90 users. Like there is no fixed calculation. Whenever a process is free for particular server, it randomly send across the all servers. If you do not have application servers, it send all load to single server, and after some time system goes down also. System goes
Mm.
down also because you use to its maximum extent. The maximum usage is 200 users, but to like this 350, 400 users at a time. So it will restack the system and shut down system for no reason because there is no memory to use for users because whenever user logged in, SAP automatically gives some MB of RAM to him to for his working. If more number of users are working, your physical memory all get distributed. And you don't have memory to stabilize the resources. Then what happens? Your system goes down abruptly. Okay. Because of
Mm.
that, you need to take application servers help to distribute the load among all servers. Distribute the load among all the servers. So here what happened, whenever you make any change in default profile, why I'm saying shouting all these things? Because when you make change in one default profile value, what happened? CI and application servers, all servers will take effect immediately. In all servers, the effect comes immediately. You change the value. You have changed the value, and all servers get updated. But if you make changes in instance profile, only one instance gets changed. Means like for production, if you use instance profile, you have to make changes in all 5 servers. One CI, 4 applications.
Mm.
One CI, 4 application. But if you do in the default profile, you need to make change in only one system, and effect will come in all system, vice versa. Okay. So what is the
Mm.
conclusion? For quality system and dev system, we mostly use default instance profile. For production system, we use default profile because quality and development, we have mostly only one server. We have only one instance where we can use profile parameters, but in production, we have more than one server, so we can use only default profiles. Okay.
Mm.
There are lots of noise. What happened in the background from your side?
Oh, just a second. It's a fan.
Okay, okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, now it's okay. So if the value is 10, for example, for some parameters and SAP recommend to make 60, okay? If you try to change these values in production, where we have one CI and 4 app servers, either you change in all applications one by one, make changes, or or you make change in one default profile only once, which make changes in all app servers. Which is good? Second one is good. You have to make changes in default profile by which all application servers get changes immediately.
Changes.
Changes will get changes will get immediately. Now you see how your instance profile looks. SID, DVBMGS, and the host name is equal to instance profile. TST, SID is TST, is host name, SID instance number host name, SID instance number host name. This is called a this is called a uh, nomenclature of instance profile. See host name, SID, DVMG is the host name. 0099 is a these are the system numbers. मतलब here it may change. If you give 09 at installation, it will become 09. If you give 89, it become 89. Depending upon what system number you taken while installation, DVM says that number dynamically changes according to your selection from 0 to 99.
Mm.
So today we are going to see the below T codes RZ10, RZ11, and TU02. These are three parameters. These are the three uh, T codes which are going to see in today's session. One is RZ10, one is RZ11, one is TU02. Before that, what we will do? We will try to start our system. We'll try to start a server. Once server can starts, everything work perfectly. Okay. Today we are going to see how to we start server first. It will take 2-3 minutes. She's already restoring the things. From 7th, we need to change timings of classes. Okay.
What it will be?
Uh, like your evening, my morning.
Oh, my evening.
Yeah, not at all, not confirmed. I'll get a roster in day or two. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Night, matlab, my morning because my shift started afternoon to ends in the night, midnight. So my morning, your evening. For some days, again, depending upon my schedule, I'll make you, I'll inform you quite before, like, not emergency. Take it
Okay.
lightly. We'll do that. But we'll have to cover each and everything. Okay,
Okay.
that should be our target. So this is my server. Okay, so we're going to see RZ10. Okay, what is RZ10? See, RZ10 show you the first screen for the profile. This is the main screen for your profile parameters. If you click here, you will get default profile, you will get instance profile. I go default profile. I'll see. Say I have this many values which are by default at the time of installation,
Mm.
which are default to all systems. At the time of installation only, you will get this thing. Here you can add any parameter if you want. You can delete any parameter if you want. But while installation, these parameters you will get by default in a default profile. And instance profile, what you'll get by default. See, already 7 times been changed. 8 means 8 times change made. See, this is the value. These are the values. These are the all values. Today we are going to work on some of the parameters. Like you see, dialog process how many? 12. Background how many?
Mm.
9. Update 3. Update to 1. Spool is 3. What we will do? We'll make dialog as 15. Okay. We'll make background as 7. Okay. We'll make VB as 2. VB2 as 2. And spool as 2. Okay. 15, 6, 2, 2, 2. We make all these changes. Okay.
Mm.
How you make those changes? For making those changes, go back. What is the value? This is the value. Okay. You should know the parameters are going to change. Just select that, or name is given by ABAPers or functional team. Key you need to change. Go to parameters and click and enter. What it will show? It will show the present value of the parameter. What it will show? It will show the current value of the parameter. Then what we will do? I just want to change. Make some change the parameter. Previously it was 12. Now I made it 15. I made it 15. After doing that, you have to don't forget to copy this. You have to just copy this. See, changes were made. Go back. Again copy. The change profile was transferred. Okay, second thing. And again copy, transferred. Then now go back and save this. But if you save this, what do you think? Do you want to activate the profile? Go like, yes, I want to activate. What is this? Previously it was 8, now it's coming 9. Whenever you change any parameter, the values changing randomly. Matlab by seeing that if you see 150, 160 number, you can imagine how many times they did changes in these parameters.
Mm.
The older company, they make changes many times. See, read this carefully. The effect of activating the profile is simply that the profile is stored at OS level. See administration data. For the profile to take effect of particular app server, you have to restart the app server. Agreed?
Mm.
See, value was 15 mid. Now I'll make change to other profile. But we're targeting this to 6.
Which one are you changing? The dialog one?
Dialog is changed. Now background.
Okay.
I'll click on background. 9. I want to make 6. Let to make 6 backgrounds. See, first copy, Go back. What happened?
It is 6.
It says 6 per year, but it's not properly done.
Mm.
Copy, changes made, go back, again copy, forward transferred, go back. Don't save now because how many times should say save? Thus many profile parameters are creating 10, 11, 12. So what we will do? We'll make all changes and take only one restart. Okay.
Okay.
Here I'll go to change again. Now my target is VB2. This VB, I just want to make it 2. Copy, copy. Okay. Again, go to change. See 15, 6, 2. Now this also you make 2. Now this one, spool one.
So you're changing everything, but you're gonna restart once.
Yeah, I restart only once.
Mm.
Transferred. Now I'm activating profile because my work is done. Okay. I
Mm.
made all 5 changes. Now 10 profile parameters created. Now what happened? This is applications we have seen till now. So I'll make you clear one thing. See, this is a OS level. Okay. This is a operating system level. Okay. Now
Mm.
what we will do? We log into application server and see that parameters, what value is here now at present. Here what happened? We worked on we worked on that operation modes. We have the session also. In this what happened, we'll change dialogue and background process depending upon timings. Like night time we have more backgrounds and less dialogues, and night time we have more dialogues and less backgrounds. It is a topic called uh, it is a topic called this topic I did 2 days back only for another batch. Okay. So this we need to also see this topic like not today, like after 4 5 sessions we have this topic where we can utilize our hardware to the maximum extent, and it is called as a operation modes. Okay, now I'll restart server and see what happened, because at present you can see only four only four background dialogues and 17 background. But this is not our case. This is a output of operation modes which you have configured. Okay.
Mm. When are we gonna install SAP?
We need to log in early, to minimum 2 hours it requires. That is the reason why today I ping you 2 hours back only, 6:50 only I ping Indian time. 6:40,
We can
6:50.
do on Saturday, I guess.
No Saturday, my Sunday. Your Sunday, my Sunday. Saturday
Oh.
I'm traveling.
Mm.
Traveling to again traveling to my wife's place. Today I am out from last few days. I came out for some other work. So again I'll fly to my wife's place this Saturday.
Okay.
You are with your family?
Yes,
Great. So how many kids do you have?
I have four.
Four. One, two, three, four. Oh, oh. I have only two.
Hmm. Yeah, they just went to school.
Hmm. In USA, four kids means lots of expense for you also. Terrible. Yeah, it's terrible. Education is now become a most expensive thing.
Yeah, but in US, till high school, education is free.
Oh, great.
You don't have to pay.
Matlab till seventh standard.
Till 12th standard,
Oh, oh, 12th standard. Totally free.
totally free. Yes.
Any school you take.
Yeah, only the private school they charge you a lot of money, but regular school, kids go, it's free.
Okay. Yeah, otherwise it's too US means terrible area, too expensive area.
Yeah. So now we are changing we're showing the results that we changed.
Yeah. See, this is the operation modes which results are now being shown. Na? This operation mode, we'll see this also, no issues. See, 17, you can able to 17 4, 17 and 4. You can able to see 17 and 4 value, 17 and 4. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is operation mode. The day mode, the night mode. Okay? We'll do this after a few sessions. We have this session also. So, see, 7 a.m. to night a.m., night 7, morning 7 to night 8, and night 8 to morning 7. Now my night time is starting. Night time is 4 and 17. Because of that only, I have only 4 dialogues. See, I have only 4 dialogues and 17 backgrounds because I made those changes. Now I'll restart the server and see what is used to us today.
Okay.
You know this thing? I'm stopping now. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Now you see. But I'm stopping system and restart and see how it affect.
No. Okay. So you cannot just restart. You have to stop and then restart.
Yeah. Now it is 9:10 na US morning 9:06 na time.
Yes.
Yeah.
AM.
AM, yeah. I have to do night shift today. I'm doing from last 3 days night shift only.
Well, what time does it start?
I started 10 o'clock, 10, 12, 15 and ends up at morning 7.
Oh, no.
Matlab, tomorrow morning till 8 o'clock I am on the system only now because after your session I have one more session. After that I had small light dinner. Then I start working 10:15. Then I'll be there till morning 8.
Uh, as a basis manager or consultant?
I'm basis consultant.
Okay.
Again, morning is a batch, 5 to 6, one more batch.
Okay.
I'll take in shift only that thing. See, when you work, give to me. Okay, we'll do together. If you have any work, na, tell me.
Okay.
Sit down, down, okay? Now I will to make up.
So, how often you change the parameters in real time?
Like once in a 4 months, 3 months, depending
Okay.
upon depending upon your user performance. Depending upon like you have 200 users previously, now users increase to 300, but the performance increasing, and size of database. If database has increased tremendously, and RAM and CPU remain same, at that we have to tune the database with the alpha parameter only.
So basically, functional or ABAPers request you to do it.
No, they will give us the parameter, the value we need to change because no other consultants and bases have these rights to change. Only basis has the rights to change these things.
No, I was saying the request that comes from functional or the
Yeah, yeah. ABAP,
ABAPers.
yeah, yeah. Or sometimes SAP suggests us to change these parameters.
Okay.
So would you like to go for advanced basis course also? I am teaching advanced also.
Oh, okay. What time is that?
Time
Yes.
morning 5 a.m. India time.
So that's my 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Only one student is there and only two, three sessions are over till now. One batch is over. Now new batch has started in which three sessions are over. If you want to like to start, we will start that also. Or we can cover it for
So,
you on weekends if you want. It's up to you. I'm ready. But I need to ready from your side and you would like to have a good hardware for that. To do all these things, I suggest you to make your laptop or desktop with 16 GB of RAM minimum. Then you can try all these things.
oh,
If you want to make
because
good
I
money
was
out,
thinking about,
tell me.
because I was thinking about HANA, because a
Yeah,
lot of requirement with this.
yeah, HANA also. We are doing HANA also. We are doing HANA also. I'm doing HANA also. Hello.
So what? So,
చెప్పు అన్నిసార్లు ఫోన్ చేసినా ఫోన్ చేయరా అదే బంగారం ఇచ్చి వచ్చినానికి చేయండి రిపేరింగ్ చేయడానికి ఇంకేంలే రేపు ఉండకపోతే ఎల్లుండి కావాలి నాకు పొద్దున్నే 10 గంటలకు వస్తే ఎల్లుండి మొత్తం కొత్త చేయని కావాలని చెప్పిన చేయిస్తానన్నాడు అలా నా తునిపోయిన చైన్ కింద నుంచి అంత కొత్త చేస్తారంట మొత్తము ఆ టాకా అంతానే అతికి చెప్పిన అతుకుద్దని. అతుకుద్దు అని చెప్తే చెప్పాడు. సరే ఇలా ఏం అడగలే. అదే చైన్ కిందనంత లాకెట్ కాడనే మారుస్తారు. లాకెట్ కాడ చైన్ పోయింది. ఆ చైన్ కొత్తది ఇస్తారంట. కొత్త చైన్ సేమ్ డిజైన్. ఆ! దిమాగ్ లేదు. నువ్వు ఫోన్ పెట్టి క్లాస్‌లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చెప్తా నీకేం చెప్పాడని సంజాయించి. అన్నా? నేను మళ్ళా ఫోన్ చేస్తా నీకు. సరే. వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్ టు దిస్? సంగప్?
It's lagging.
Yeah. See.
So even for HANA, I need a 16 GB RAM.
No, you cannot install HANA on your system. You have to take server only. HANA require minimum 32 GB of RAM minimum and 4 CPUs in your laptop. This is not possible on a laptop. If you have a laptop where like a Core i8 with 7, 8 core minimum 4 CPUs required with 32 GB of RAM, then only you can think about how to install on VMware.
Mm.
So,
So
but I'll
what
give you
people do if
people will take rented servers.
oh
I will give rented server for 1 month to you.
because whenever I see requirement, it's all about basis slash HANA. There's as basis HANA.
No problem, sir. I'll make you ready for that also. No problem. Because I need a readiness from your side. With how much you are anticipated to learn. That's it.
So,
What
so
happened?
it's not restarting.
Because that operation mode things also there na. So it's taking time. I will check what happened to this. I don't know what happened this time. This taking more time to start.
So basically, whole basis takes like 3 to 4 months to get ready, I guess.
Yeah, with advanced and normal take for 3.5 months.
With HANA or just the
O-
regular?
Only regular. Hana 30 more days. 4 months okay. But I know that if you ready to learn anything, you will make out of in 10 days only you make a money which you spend for all courses in US. 10, 15 days you work,
Hmm.
you will get those money what you have spent on the course, entire course, all courses. Because there you are getting good pay, but expense also high also. I agree with that. Expense also very high there.
What's the rate in India basis with HANA consultant? What are they giving over there average?
Average is 1 lakh Indian rupees or 1.3 lakhs Indian rupees per month. That's it. 1.5 maximum 1.5 lakh rupees per month Indian rupees, which comes to $10,000, $1,000, 1,000, $2,000, hardly $2,000.
Hmm.
Not only not 2,000. 2,000 means 1,50,000. Uh, $100, $1,000 and $5. मतलब $1,550, $1,500, $1,300 like that only. Some
Hmm.
consultant only get $2,000.
A month.
Yeah, month, yeah. And there,
Over here, it's a lot.
yeah, I know that. Because my friend is working there na, in US as a business consultant.
Hmm.
He sell come 30, 35 lakhs per month, he said,
Yeah, easily.
Indian rupees.
Yes. That was 12,000.
Yeah.
Do you talk about Kareem?
Huh?
You talking about Kareem?
Karim, yeah, yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, he's managing.
Yeah, yeah. He's a good guy.
Yeah, he told about you.
Okay. What happened to system now? Not responding at all. What happened? See, I give 9 GB of RAM, then also it's not working.
Hmm.
If I restart it, it will work properly.
So just restart it.
I'm doing that only. What happened? I don't know what happened.
How many VMs you have created?
Only two
Only
VMs.
one?
Two.
Two VMs? Okay.
Every day I used to take minimum 4 sessions.
Hmm.
Plus lots of traveling for me here and there, here and there. I always carry two laptops.
Oh, okay.
One is office one is personal. Because in office laptop we cannot teach.
Right.
To help me out with some projects, I'll work, no problem, with India from India.
It's saying save. So first you do save mode and then normal, or
No, no, it's working one. Just need to Control G.
you have Windows 7?
Windows 7, yeah. Inside this Windows 12, Windows Server 2012 year, but outside is Windows 2000, Windows 7, and inside is VM 2012.
Okay.
Now it's restarting.
I think now it will come. The fact.
Yeah. Now it's working.
Hmm.
See, first it will start SAP CPE, then S database, then apps. Write it down somewhere. First it will start SAP CPE, then STRDBS, then it comes to dispatcher and message server. If somebody asks you interview, what is the process of starting SAP? You tell first SAP CPE, then database, then third one, dispatcher and message server.
Hmm.
See now, okay, connection connected, okay.
So are we gonna log in SAP now?
Huh?
Are we gonna log in SAP now?
No, I am logging. I am just checking server. One server say, see, still here, wait comes, don't go anywhere. New na, new to run, run to wait. When you found run, wait, then you go anywhere you want. Until that, you
Oh.
have to be here only. See, wait. Now see, wait.
Hmm.
See, dialogues I made 15, you can count. 0 to 14 is equal to 15. Okay.
Hmm.
And update 2. See, update 2. Background 6 I made na. Count on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Hmm.
Now spool 2 and update 2 too. Done?
So you check here.
Yeah. I'm going to now OS, this application server. 1 minute here. If it did not come, then I have to close down that operation mode. Then we'll check. If it not come at now, so I need to stop that operation mode, which is running. So once I stop that, it will take this one as a count.
So you are right now you're working. How many tickets do you get in 8 hour shift?
Depending upon tickets, how many it comes now? Sometimes three, sometimes four, sometimes no tickets, sometimes 8 tickets, depending upon. There is no compulsion that this many tickets will come to you.
Hmm. How big is your team?
We had 10 base consultant, 10. But
Oh
in a
wow.
in the morning shift we have only one person. In the night shift, one person. In day shift we have seven consultants because 90% of worked in second shift only.
Right.
All managers are logging in that shift only. Rest of the times, only one person had to take care of all.
So in night's time, maybe you're just monitoring the system.
Yeah, mainly monitoring.
Yeah.
So no load, no work. But work comes is a headache for you. Full night.
Yeah.
Any good thing goes wrong, you have bad luck then.
Yeah. The whole system is down. Yeah. Then you're just
Yeah,
busy.
this is bad. That is total bad luck. You have to work very hard.
Hmm.
It's not depending upon the system performance. If it is work fine, you are fine. Otherwise, you have to struggle. So how many tickets you solve per day?
Oh, I don't work as a civil servant.
You work for some different client, no? Like different product. No?
No, 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 I don't. Right now, I don't.
Okay, once you learn, then start working.
That's why I'm getting trained to work in marketing.
See, 15, you can able to see 15 here. 15 to 6. Can you able to see, Karim?
Yeah, yeah.
Matlab, it's working for us, okay? It's work for us, huh? Done.
So this is the OS result, right?
Now this application result, application server result. OS you have said console is the OS. This application server result.
Hmm.
OS I showed you previously in a console. That was a console. But this is the real things which we did and it's work fine.
Okay.
Done? Any doubt in this?
So in order to get the result, what T code did you execute?
SM50
SM. Okay.
to check the work processes. Like
Okay. So,
so we haven't session on this T codes only where I'll teach you minimum 25 to 30 new T codes. Okay?
okay.
Okay, then we'll log off as per today and we will log in again tomorrow. Tomorrow also we'll take this kind of session, but Monday for
Sure.
sure, Sunday or Monday for sure, we'll do installation. Okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Thank you. I gave you server.
Bye.
Please start practicing on that some of things, users and all.
How do I install?
No installation. I give you IP address now. You just log in through IP address now.
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
give you
Okay.
IP
Okay.
address and all. Just log in, user ID, password, everything I gave you. You just try to log in. Once you logged in, you will start able to work with. See, I'll show you how to log in. 1 minute. I have 4 minutes left because I ping them. We will start lecture late. I already pinged them. They will wait. They will wait. See the server, okay?
Oh yeah, you send me a screenshot. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. The server, no need of anything. Very easily you can log in and you can background jobs you can work on this and uh, see, I'll show you. Background jobs on user, you can easily work. See, it's working fine for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I give you all screenshot to you. You do practice for this on system because for this system I'm paying. Okay, everyday payment I have to do for the system. Please use it. Huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Huh?
you. Bye.
Okay. If you find any difficulties, not let me know. I'll tell you how to connect. See, just go
Okay.
here, type this command. If you want, take pic of this. Take picture from mobile if you want. Just click on this, you will go, directly go to your system. This you have to write same thing in your run. You take, have you taken pic? Shall I switch off now? Log off. Take pic from a
Yeah,
mobile.
yeah.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Please log in and let me know. Otherwise, wastely I pay money for this. Okay. Every day payment I have to do. Okay. Chal bye.
Okay.
It's very easy. Yeah. Chal bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. Okay.